Annotations are really important when you're creating graphs, and they can help your readers and viewers understand the point you're trying to convey through your visualizations. Creating an annotation in Tableau is really easy. So let's say I want to make an annotation that shows tables is the subcategory that is making the least amount of profit. So I can go ahead and right click on tables, go down to annotate, go down to mark, and then I'm going to keep this all here just because I think it's important to list the category, the subcategory, and the profit. So I'm going to click OK. And then you have your annotation here, and I can click on this and move this around so we can move this down here so it's a little bit easier to see. And it creates a line connecting to this point on the graph. So we can see that this is the annotation that's connected to tables. And we can do the same over here and show that this is the subcategory with the most amount of profit. Go ahead and move this over. And we can see the line again connects to this point. So it's really easy to see which annotations are describing which part of the graph. We can also create annotations that don't have lines or aren't connected to a specific point on the graph, but are more just an annotation in general. And we can move our mouse to any point on the graph, right click, go down to annotate and click area. And for this annotation, I'm going to say furniture category has the lowest profit. Go ahead and click apply, okay. And now we have this box here that we can move. And now we have this area annotation that we can move to various points on the graph. And that is how you create annotations on your visualizations in Tableau.